Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the Boston Whaler 2022 17 Montauk. It's one of our best-selling models. It just does everything very, very well. It's a great size. It can fit in your garage. It's got a foldable tongue on the trailer, so it fits in most garages, I should say. But it's got a Mercury 115 on the back. It's a plenty of horsepower for this boat. It's fast. It rides really, really great. It's very dry. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are in the back of the boat. Let's start again with the Mercury 115 on the back. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. This boat flies. You'll also see the tower on the back. So it's a wakeboarding tower, ski, tubing, you name it. It does all that stuff. So it's built specifically for this. So it's if you are going to do water sports, it's really, really nice to have. We do have 2 seats on the back. Very comfortable, high back cushions and seats. But if you're fishing, they come out. This flips up. Here there's steps so you can fish off the back of the boat very safely without standing on the cushions, which is not safe. Plenty of floor space in the back, stereo speakers. You can fish facing backwards, so the helm seat is a dual purpose, so it can sit facing this way. You've got your live well, which is actually a very good size, and so plenty of bait for you for the day. So if you're driving the boat, just come around, I lift this up. A very comfortable 2-person seat right here for driving the boat. You've got a Raymarine screen, good size Raymarine, diffusion stereo. You've got a little smart craft in this. It's a little computer showing you all your pressures and all that stuff and your fuel. You've got a little windshield here. Got a nice Bimini top, good coverage. We've got teak steps for boarding on the sides if you're coming in from the sides. And as I move to the bow, again, you've got rails that come all the way around. You've got a nice, comfortable seat here. You can put 2 people here as well on top of the cooler, so it's a very large cooler that you can take on and off the boat. So bring in your stuff, your drinks and your food and everything right there. You've got a remote control stereo here, so when you're sitting up front, I can still control the stereo. I've got a very large fish box. So you can ice that down. You can also ice it for a cooler as well. So I've been known to dump all the drinks, put a couple of bags of ice. It's insulated, self-draining, so it does that well. And then you've got your ankle locker, and then you've got your remote control for your remote setup for the trolling motor, so it can be mounted anywhere up on the front of the boat here, and you've got all the wiring and everything else ready to go to do that. If you have to add it at a later point in time, there's quite a bit of work involved, but when it comes from the factory this way, it's perfect. So. Boat is a great boat. They redesigned this back in 2018, so the ride has really improved dramatically on this boat. So a lot of fun, great quality. It's a whaler, it doesn't sink. Any questions on it, give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.